Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to block people on Bumble. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bumble application. You can see over here I've already opened it. Make sure you're logged into your account. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to block someone, you can either tap on the discover option or you can also tap on the people option. Likewise, you can also tap on the chats option. If you tap on the chats option, you'll be able to see the chats over here. Simply tap on the chat of the person that you want to block. After that, you'll be able to open their profile. Likewise, if you tap on the discover option, you'll be able to find various profiles over here. Simply tap on the profile that you want to block. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to access their profile information over here. Likewise, if you tap on the option people, you'll be able to find the profile over here. If you want to block them, what you have to do is scroll down. Now you'll be able to find various profile information. Scroll down to the bottom. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for hide and report. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to hide and report them. Simply tap on this option hide and report that you can see at bottom. Now you'll have to specify the reason. Tap on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see this message, do you want to block them? Now you'll be able to block this person once you decide to hide and report them. So what you have to do is tap on this option block that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular person will be blocked and their profile will be removed. So that is how you block someone on Bumble. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.